Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Hotmail or Outlook account language to English, whether it's UK or US, in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, go to your or open your browser, then go to the Outlook official login page, sign in. Once you're in, click over here on your profile icon at the top right section over here. Then select your my profile to open your account homepage. Then this you will have this section over here. Make sure you're on the info or your info section. Here you will have the option to click on language. Okay. Click here. By default, it should be the language in your region or English. Then you can easily select this and scroll down and find the preferred language you want. All right. Once you're done, you can save your changes or click over here. And that's it. Microsoft will now automatically apply those changes immediately. I hope you found this video very helpful.